This is my raging tech addiction. I am Rage. Here in front of me is the tech, and these are the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros. A lot of people have already posted their unboxing and reviews, and finally I got my hands on them. Paid for them myself, so I can say anything I want. Anything I want. But this is an unboxing. And as you can see, for full transparency, I did take off the plastic in the car. You know, I was very, let's just say, anxious. And I was at a stoplight, got the plastic off, and that's pretty much as far as I got. So, we're going to open this up, and we're going to take a look at it. But first, let's just take a look at the outside of the box. As you can tell, says what it is. Got some high-res audio. Let's see here, let me get that in the camera there. You know, 20 Grammy-winning people did something with this thing. There's the back. Whole bunch of stuff. Let me see, I'll read it to you. Let me see, I'll read it. It has some acoustic stuff. Some ANC, active noise cancellation. Up to 8 hours playtime, 32 hours with charge case. Ultimate high-res experience. And 6 mic AI uplink noise reduction. That's a lot of shit. Now, it says right here what comes in the box. It says, obviously, the earbuds, the case, 4 sizes of ear tips, 4 sizes of ear wings, USB-C cable. All right. Enough. Anything on this side? Oh, this just kind of shows what it is. All right, it's kind of blurry in the camera. All right, let's open this up here. Let's take a look. All right, let's see. Oh, you guys see that? Wow. I must admit. So let me see here. Where's my other ones? I have the hammerheads there, and I have the Samsung Pros here. And I will say, so we're talking about just opening up the box and taking a look at it. The hammerheads, Razer did very good on theirs. Samsung was kind of whatever, but yeah, nice. Very nice, I must say. Got your ear tips. You got your ear wings. Can't complain. It's a very nice presentation. Very clean. What's this? Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's my my cable and a whole bunch of paperwork. Let me see what's in here. Anything? Let me see. Paper. How did we sound? I don't know yet. I haven't got to that part yet. I'll get to that part as soon as I get to that part. All right. Now, with that said, let's get this out of the box here. Let's open this up. Let me see. There's a USB-C charger. Well, I'm not even in the damn camera. Look at that shit. Fucking what a dumbass. USB-C charger. How do I open this thing? Oh, slide back. That's quite nice. That is quite nice. All right, let's get the... Oh, I got to set these up, don't I? Let me move the mic a little closer. All right, I'm going to go with mediums. Let's put the mediums on there. Let's get the... get on there. Oh, I was supposed to put the wingtips on first, wasn't I? Oh, damn. Okay, well, let's go with the mediums. I usually stick to the... Okay, how do these things go on here? They go on over this thing? Oh, they got ear. Oh, never mind. They got ear thingies on them. All right, well, I don't got to put shit on them. All right, this is left. Let's get that on there. They don't come with, I just noticed. Okay, get in there. How do you get in there? Let's see. You got to go like this, right? Boop. Boop. All right, let's get this one in there. I'm going to take this one, medium. We're going to start here anyway. They go on at least pretty easy, at least, man. They just snap right on there. That's pretty nice. I've had some where, dude, they were like, hell no. All right, let's see here. Let's see about pairing these bad boys. Let's see about pairing them. Can I see all this? Let me see. Let me zoom out a little bit. Boop, 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 so you guys can see all this. Let's close this up real quick here. Let's see. Soundcore. Soundcore. Liberty 3. I just need the app, right? Soundcore by Anker. That's the I'm taking it. That's the app. Let's install. All right, let me get this installed. Then we're gonna pop these in the ear. Well, we're gonna go through the stuff here. As soon as I get it downloaded and installed. Down here, it's searching for them bad boys. What the hell is it saying to me? Let's see here. Can you guys see this? Probably not, right? It's gonna be hard for you guys to see this. Let's see if it'll. There you go. And I do have them in my ear right now. So let's see here. As you can see, it tells the battery left, right, and the case battery, which I'm currently charging, is plugged into my computer, which is right over there. Actually, you can kind of see it right here. It's like right here, but it's charging. All right, we have noise cancellation on. Let's go to the normal. Oh man, wow. Hold on, go back. I feel like I'm. It's not as strong as some others where you feel like you're being sucked into the void, but you go from like. It's really hard to explain. It's everything seems a little bit more higher pitched to a very dulled out normal. And let's go transparency. So my thing is transparency mode. I know a lot of people love active noise cancellation. Because of the stuff I do, I tend to rely more on transparency mode, and so I look for I kind of compare transparency modes instead of A and C. Even though I can tell you right now that having used the Hammerheads and the Samsung Pros, let me see if I can get there we go, Samsung Pros and the Razer Hams. I would say these are the ones to beat. The Razers are really good sound, but we'll get into that. Maybe I'll do a comparison after I use these a little while. Okay, so let me see here. Can we fully transparent? What's vocal mode? So we got. Let me come back out here a little bit. That way. So we got fully transparent. Can I turn this up? Let me see if it turns it up. No. So we got vocal mode. Let me go back in here. I got my camera at a weird angle. Very sorry. My other camera, I'm actually charging up, so I didn't expect to get these today. So I can't personally myself tell the difference. I can't tell the difference between the two. They don't really. I don't know. No one's talking in here. I'm in the man cave. So I could tell you that the transparency mode that I hear is on par with the Razer Hammerheads. Nowhere near the Samsung Pros at this point. Definitely ain't touching the Samsung Pros. So let's do a Hear ID test. What's this? Wind noise reduction? There ain't no wind in here. Let's do the Hear ID test. Let's do the sound test. Your age. Okay. All right, we took the test, guys. Maybe a little longer than I thought it was, but we took the test. And here's my here ID right there. All right, so prioritize Trabu. Okay. All right, so I have no idea what that means for my earballs, but cool. Oh, that's my hearing curve. Personalized earphones. Cool. Let's go back. So we have a personalized. There we go, guys. We have a personalized Hear ID sound test. So I would do the ANC test, but this takes quite a long time, man. And I kind of want to get to the sound here. So let's go. We got our sound curve. So hopefully, okay, back. I'm not happy with the transparency mode. I can tell you that. Let me zoom out here because we're gonna do some music test here. What else is on here? Sound mode. Okay, so here's your sound mode right here. You have, let me see, it takes about 10 seconds to restart your earphones when switching modes. Okay, preferred audio. This is your LDAC. Combine audio and connection quality. Okay, well, we're not going to go into that now. I'm going to use my personal curve, man. That's what I'm going to do. Controls, let's see. Oh, this is your ear controls. Let's come down. Let's come down. There you go. Here's your ear controls. I'm not going to go into any of this right now. I mean, whatever. This is all your controls. Can you customize? If you double tap, hold 2. I wonder if you can do some customization. More settings. What's in the more settings? Wearing detection, device list, prompt tone, fit test, audio power off after 30 minutes, update, firmware. Okay, good. So we're good. Serial number. We don't need to do all that. All right. Oh, let me go back to device settings. Okay, so let's just go into some music here. Let's see here. Let's bring up. So we're gonna do some Suicide Boys Paris. Waiting for that low just drop. Oh yeah, very very heavy low. Hey hey, tell me what you know. Nice, very nice. The lows are heavy, very 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 prominent lows. But the other thing I've noticed here. So the other thing I've noticed is that, and it's going to be with because I'm using my Hear ID, is the highs are way too sibilant, way too sibilant. So I am probably going to have to go in and like stop that because they're just way too blown out. So, but that's what it's saying, that's what it is for my ears. Okay, let's try something else. That was some rap. Let's try. We gotta try some rock, man. Let me see. What do I got? Let's do some. What can we do? Let's do some Pantera. Pantera. Let's do vulgar display of power. Let's see. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let's just play the first song. Oh yeah. Right off the bat, man. Really deep riffs. Very, very nice. Very nice. See, now the highs work for the guitar. See, the highs work very well now. But they're still a little too sibilant. Oh, very nice. Fuck yeah. Revenge! Oh, very nice. Oh, wow. Wow, man, that is crazy. Maybe they were up too loud. Let me see here. Okay, yeah, yeah. I had them up way, way, way too loud. Very nice, man. I really like the sound. Really like the sound. Wow. Hold on. I got let's we got to try some let's try some Johnny Cash, dude. We got to do we're going to do Hurt. Let me see. Oh, let's try vocal cuz this is let's try some Johnny Cash Hurt, man. One of the best songs he's ever done, man. A lot of good songs, but definitely one of the best songs. Let's try some nice acoustic guitar. Oh, self today to see if I still feel focus on the pain. The only thing that's real. The needle tears a hole. The old familiar sting. Try to kill it all away. Oh, man. Oh, I gotta stop. That's a powerful song, man. That's an absolutely powerful song. Wow. Very clear vocals. Very good on acoustic guitar. That high really works quite well on the clarity on the acoustic guitar. Johnny Cash's voice comes through absolutely great. You hear enough of the gruffness to hear that emotion, and then you have enough highness or high to get the clarity of the spoken word. Very well. Very good. Very good. I'm impressed. I'm highly impressed. I am gonna have to tone down the high though. That's kind of my one little gripe is I'm gonna have to definitely tone down that sibilance. It's really really high, man. Well, that's it, guys. That's my unboxing and my kind of trying out of the Ankor Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros. Very very good. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try them out for a week, and then I'm going to reapproach it, and I'm going to do a versus the uh, Hammerheads and the Samsung Pros. I can tell you right off the bat, though, because I use the Samsungs quite a lot, and this thing doesn't touch the Samsungs when it comes to transparency mode at all, and it doesn't touch the Samsungs when it comes to ANC. At this point, I'm sorry. Like it's ANC, it's okay, but it's nothing crazy. It's transparency mode. What kind of kills me on it is that this is supposed to have 6 mics, right? Right, 6 mics for uplink noise reduction. I don't know, 6 mics that can't give me better transparency mode. I mean, come on. I'm disappointed in the transparency mode. That's a yeah. I'm disappointed. Getting the hell out of here, and I'm gonna enjoy these earbuds, and then I'll come back and reapproach them in about a week. Maybe I'll let it go 2 weeks, using these as my daily earbuds, and I'll see what I have to say then. You guys have a wonderful day.